Welcome back everybody, Automotive Inc. here. Today I'm going to give you a little tip on how to change a Nissan key fob battery. So if you have a 23 and up, this is probably what your key fob looks like. This is for a Pathfinder, but it doesn't matter the trim level. And it probably, if you have a Nissan Altima or anything that has this looking key fob, this procedure will work for you. It's very simple. You don't have to pay big money, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first things first, everybody, you're going to want to set it on something that you won't scratch it. This is my workbench. I've changed these hundreds of times on lots of different vehicles. So you can set it on something if you want so it doesn't scratch the face of it. But if you do have a key fob protector on there, you're going to need to remove that to do it. Now, first things first, this is where your spare key, or not your spare key, your key to unlock the door if the battery is dead. And you're going to remove it by pulling this tab down and pulling the key out. So you can usually do that pretty easily. See, I did it one-handed right there. So you'll pull that out and everything like that. You're going to need a small flat blade screwdriver. I wouldn't recommend using a pocket knife. You can damage the plastic. You'll probably accomplish the job, but I would highly encourage you to not do that. Just use a flat blade screwdriver. You can see these two silver pins right here. They're kind of just the side, I guess, of the actual key fob itself. But there is a little definitive groove right there on top between that and the upper plastic. Now you're going to want to take your screwdriver and put it in those points and then turn it. So you can see right there, that's where you're going to put it, and then you're just going to twist it sideways and it'll start popping it loose, and you're going to work that off all the way around. Now by around, that's what I meant. I just kept working it this way until it all pops loose. From there, you're going to be able to pull the key fob apart and set it aside. Now from here, you'll see the battery orientation is the smooth side with no markings. That's going to be up. You can take your little screwdriver again and put it right underneath here. There's where a cutout is. And you're just going to twist it again sideways like this to pop it out. Now if you pry right there where that gap is, this is going to come out super easy and you won't damage it. If you try and go anywhere else, you can damage the metal prongs. I'm going to highly encourage you not to do that. Now the battery you're going to need is a 2032, and you can buy these on Amazon for super cheap. You can go to the dealer and pay them $30, $40, $50 and up to pay for this one battery. And I promise you guys, if you buy these off of the Zon, you can buy a dozen of them for less than $10. Again, I change these in all my cars, so they're always around. And so I will link these down below, and you can get Energizer, whatever brand you like, but you can even just get the cheapos. So let's get the new battery. All right, guys. So if you want to size up your new battery, you can. Again, I got Duracells. I got the cheap ones off Amazon. Doesn't even matter. They're all going to last about the same. So again, this is going to be the orientation up. It's best if you can just start the battery in there, then snap it down. That's as simple as it's going to be. And then all you're going to have to do, this would be a good opportunity if you have a little bit of lint or hair, go ahead and just blow it out or pick it out, however you want to do it. And then really to reassemble, all you're going to have to do is just make sure you get the right ends together, which would be pretty hard not to, considering that's how it's going to look when it comes back apart. And then you're basically just going to start in the back and kind of clip it down over it. And then you're going to snap it back together. So there is just a small little grip hook on the back here. So you want to just, like I said, start from the back, work it together, snap it together. That's it. Dispose of your old batteries properly. And then if you were concerned if it was or was not working, you can always click the unlock or lock to make sure you got your little red light on there. You can hear the car honking outside. And then pretty simple, you'll just take your key and you're going to put it back in here. And that, my friends, is how you change the battery on any new Nissan key fob that looks just like this. If you guys like the video, please subscribe. It helps a small channel out. I do a lot of how-tos on vehicles, vehicle reviews, and everything like that. Go over to the channel and check out the search bar. More than likely, I have a video on it. So you can type in there whatever your heart desires when it comes to cars, vehicles, trucks, and even some odd home things I did on the channel way back when I first started. I will again link the batteries down below so you can click that, head over there and snag the ones I like to use. And as always, I appreciate you guys being here, and we're going to catch you on the next one.